Today I proudly announce you that our city Moradabad has the ultimate source to learn online entrepreneurship, the digital marketing. E-commerce and digital marketing can be super complicated, but since 2017, through MSOM, I am putting ceaseless effort to deliver this piece of advice. There are just so many different things you can do. You guys will find that you have a passions, and having a passion is a gift. I think we all have passions. You don't get to choose them, they pick you. But you have to be alert to them, you have to be looking for them. And when you find your passion, it's a fantastic gift for you because it runs your direction, it runs your purpose. You could have a job, or you can have a career, or you can have a calling. And the best thing is to have a calling. And when you find your passion, you will have that, and all your work won't feel like work to you. As we have already entered in 2020 by the means of this video to break down the channel of fear and unemployment by recommending you to really focus on digital marketing sector to build up a career. As an entrepreneur is someone that is happy to work while all others are out partying. Its drug is success. He is addicted to success. And finally, he knows one simple fact that I will make it. Maybe not immediately, but absolutely one definitely. If you dial this in, you are going to be successful online. So why don't you jump right in by choosing MSOM as a platform of entrepreneur. Determine your priorities and focus on them. Book your slots now and do make sure that you get enrolled with your name for the upcoming batches of MSOM. Demo classes will be provided for free. Do remember one thing: if you want to be powerful, educate yourself.